haven't shown you guys the puppies yet. I think we need to, this vlog's gonna be heavy puppies. Ah, Simba, we can talk about you. Simba's got puppies in California with my franchise over there. Ooh, maybe I can get a clip. Let's go to Martha's Vineyard for a few. Driving in the Wildcat. We are about to cross the Morin Bridge. Almost to the island. Get to this boat. Get on the boat. Bipan. Wrong island, Bipan, but still Bipan. It's been a pretty mellow drive down. got some food in Wareham at the Pizza Boy. Ain't been there forever. I used to go there all the time. So it's kind of cool to go back. Wareham is under major construction. Like, that's crazy. That everything's taken by. There you go. 2022. Cape Cod. Let's go. Game 4. Let's go. This is the Highlands Bridge. There's a big Cape Cod in the grass. It's classic. That is classic. Boom! Made it. Cape Cod, what up? What it do? Come on, Cape Cod. It's nice here. The breeze is beautiful. Let me tell you. Seen this little bird? See him right there? I feel like it's a baby and it can't fly. I feel bad. I want to rescue it, but I don't know how. And I'm too scared to get close to the water. But hopefully it can fly. If not, I hope he walks back this way and gets back to the shore. Boat just got in. It's so different down here. It's so crazy to be down here. It's so different. Like, I remember the terminal used to be right there, and now it's over there, and everything's all crazy. We out. See how this already spraying that water? See that? Feel that spray? That spray on that open boat would have been a big no-no. That's why they wanted to put me on that. But I had to talk to a few people and finagle my way to a different boat. So they put me on this boat instead. Shout out to you guys, Steamship Authority, awesome legends, man. I appreciate you guys. They knew the dogs and whatnot, so I got the good treatment. So I appreciate that. Much love. As much as I want to walk around this boat for you guys, I've done it so many times that I don't want to walk around this boat. Oh, I feel like a tourist. I guess I am a tourist, definitely now. Just here to see the sights. Oh my god, don't lose the hat. This is the story of your life on Martha's Vineyard. Alright, we're on the ferry. Now we gotta get off the ferry. Alright, where's the elevator, bro? Enough of this walking shit. Enough of that. Enough of this walking shit, bro. What? Use the elevator. I'm lazy. I'm old. We are 4:06. Island boy. He's an island boy. Oh my god. Getting on standby first thing in the morning. See you back to the real world. Oh, we gotta go this way. Okay. Alright, we don't know what we're doing. Oh, we're at the end. Oh, we probably got a good view. Oh, let's go. This is the zone up here.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Officer Sousa with the Tisbury Police Department. So the reason I stopped you, you've been rolling around town, revving up the engine, stuff like that?
What? No.
I was behind you when you did it quite a few times.
No.
Called rev matching.
Alright, you have your license registration?
Sure, right here. There's the registration there. So wait, hold on. So you're pulling me over? I don't understand. What's like the actual law?
So it's harsh and objectionable noise. Right?
For noise?
For noise.
Okay.
Alright?
Makes sense.
Alright, I'll be back in a minute, alright?
Alright. Here we go again, another one, right? It's not gonna be able to write me a ticket for nothing. It's the third one.
I'm not gonna write you a citation right now.
Okay.
But I'm assuming you're gonna be here for the night, a couple days, whatever.
Here for the night?
For the night? Alright. So I understand rev matching and that whole deal.
Do you?
I really do.
Then you wouldn't have pulled me over. I'm just saying, I didn't do anything aside from drive the car normally. I didn't speed, I'm not doing
Okay, so
anything.
I saw you park on Main Street, you blipped the engine there. I saw you have 5 corners at the stop, you blipped the engine there. I understand it's a manual, I understand it's rev matching,
Yeah.
but you don't need to be driving around like that. Alright, there's a way to drive this thing politely through town.
1000%. purposely being loud, so that's all I'm saying. So.
Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to write you a citation right now, but I am going to be on until 8 a.m. So if I see you driving in that same manner, I am going to write you a citation.
All right.
Okay, sound fair?
Fair enough.
All right, there's your license registration. Are you the pit bull breeder back here?
I happen to be.
That's you?
That's me.
All right, I saw your documentary and
yeah, no tickets now, right?
I mean, if I have to, I still got to do a job, right?
Oh, I appreciate you. I'm just, you know, I'm not driving crazy or nothing. You know, crazy's different. This car is nuts. Trust me.
No,
this is,
hey, I get it.
It's quiet. It's pretty quiet. I've been pretty quiet. You know.
Just take it easy, man. All right.
All right. Appreciate it.
You have a good one, officer.
Take care.
He's got the Shelby. Shelby's obnoxious.
It's just loud. It's really loud.
You can't do nothing about it. The fucking car is
It's
loud.
stupid loud. That's all. You really can't. You know.
You can't tell that the car to shut up.
Whatever. He was cool about it. Whatever.
Yeah.
He was cool. I thought he'd think I was being. I was just telling him, like, do you know what red badge is? Because you wouldn't have pulled me over if you did. Because, like, I'm not.
You wouldn't have pulled me over.
I didn't do anything. So loud. Ah! It's so hot right now. So hot. Cliffs are nice. Cliffs are nice. They changed it up here too. This looks different. Everything's always changing around here. Oh man.
Is that the old Target top too? You pull the top off.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Top does come all the way off.
Right off.
Glass top. Just need some window tint hide in there.
Yeah, the front end's just got this pitting all over it.
No, I'll have it. I'll have it repainted.
I think it's got a little. You have to look on.
We're leaving. Hotel room is not bad though. Got the little view up here. We're chilling. This is the only room that I could get out here. Everything is like super booked. This guy slept on this chair. I said you take one side, I take other, no big deal. But he slept on chair. And I slept in the bed. Look, there's a nice, look at this. There's a window in the bathroom, in the shower. Weird. Alright, oh, we're out. Alright. Alright, room, TV, deadliest catch. See you. Okay. Alright, well, get the car started up. It needs like 5 minutes to warm up. People are gonna love this when I start it up on the street. Oh boy. It's very loud, cold start. Oh. Level 1, good morning. You guys going to the bottom?
Lobby, yes,
all right.
thank you.
I'll go in the same place.
Great.
Well, that makes it easy. Yeah. Just don't go to that one, because then this door opens and you're in the gym.
I tried to do that.
Does that take you to the gym?
Takes you to the gym.
Yeah.
I was not ready for all that. I opened the door and everybody was looking at me. I was like, okay, that's the wrong place. Gotta go back up. Wasn't ready for the workout in the morning. They were all sweating out. I was just not there.
Looking for your coffee.
Yeah, looking to wake up.
Yeah, me too.
Look, I got no ticket. So good. That's right. Didn't give me a ticket. Parked it. Watch what happens now. Yeah, nope. Still no ticket. Everything's good. Cool. Alright. I gotta pop the trunk. Alright, I'm giving everybody around fair warning. If you're having a conversation, you're not gonna be having a conversation in a second behind this car. It's loud. When it first starts up in the morning, it's extra loud.
Oh yeah?
Oh, a cold start. Oh, you don't know what that is, not car guy. See if it gives us a good cold start.
See you. It was fun. Sorry for all the noise that I made when I was there. Everybody will survive. Now I'm gone. The car is no longer there. You can go back to all the quietness of your life. And I won't be there to terrorize you anymore. But it was fun. Beautiful place. Love it. Happy to see. Good to see my mom. Good to see some people that I know. Love it. Hey. Hey. I used to go on that boat. I used to go on that boat when I was in grade school. Crazy. Ah, the homeland. Let's give me back.
Dude, what the hell are you doing? It's gotten bouncy. Look at these teeth there. Look at these teeth. Yeah. Look at these teeth, yeah. You know, I haven't shown you guys the puppies yet. I think we need to, this vlog's gonna be heavy puppies. Because you guys haven't seen the puppies yet, YouTube. But let's go look at the puppies, come on. Not you, you're not a puppy. It's like, I thought it was a pup. Oh yeah, you are a pup, because you're still ripping up my couch. And ripping up the bed, and eating sandals. That's right, you are a pup. Okay, so you're not showing them May, though. No, I'm not showing them you. Trouble. Yeah, trouble. Trouble. Bro, your face is on it. Alright. Alright, let's go see puppies. You need to see puppies. Puppies. You're not puppies. Whoa. Watch out, can I see them? Look at the little blue one. Wow. Wow, let me see them. Let me see them. Oh, they're running around already. Look at them. Everybody's just sitting there hanging out. Oh, we're walking around and everything. Come on. That was my first time seeing him. It's my first time seeing him. It's your first time seeing him. Dude, I just went and saw the puppies. Like, oh, okay. Are they okay? Are they okay? Hi, it's the time I'm back by. Look, with my bag by stay on my peg. And I sat here. This is what bag buys thing. This is what bag buys look like now. Okay, they sit. Well, generally they're sitting. I'm too excited right now. Okay, that's just what big boys do. Look at him. You're a big boy. You're okay. You're okay. I think you might just have to pee right now. That might just be it. Alright, get it out, bro. Your stream doesn't look so good.
Holy. Draining the main vein or what? Don't worry, take your time, we'll wait for you.
Glad that wasn't on the floor. that breeze is amazing after a hot day. Here we are at the end of another video. Pretty straightforward video. I don't think it needs too much explaining. I wanted to show you guys the puppies, so we did that. We saw the puppies for the first time. We actually saw 2 litters of puppies. You saw Simba's puppies in California, and you also saw the puppies that I have in my house. And when you hear me say that's the first time that I've seen them, that was the first time that I've seen them. But there's a reason for that. I don't want people to be like, oh, he lives in the house, why hasn't you seen the puppies? We try to keep as minimal traffic as we can through the room of the puppies during early stages of their life. There's no need for me to see them at this point. As long as they're healthy and, you know, Lisa and team are taking good quality care of them, I don't need to see them. I saw videos, I saw pictures, like I see them, but I didn't physically see them. So that was the first time that I physically see them. It got a little bit bigger. So yeah, that's why. Just, I know you guys in the comments get a little crazy. I wanted to go back to Martha's Vineyard. So I took a trip down there. Mind you, it was really boring. That's why I didn't get a lot of footage, honestly. Like, pretty much every time I get to go to Martha's Vineyard, I'm like, oh, I'm excited to get there. I go there, and like by the time like 2 hours goes by, I'm like, okay, I'm ready to go home. And pretty much the same thing. I showed him the whole island basically inside of like an hour and a half. And I'm sitting there like, what am I gonna do here for an entire day and a half now? Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So it wasn't the most entertaining trip, but it was refreshing. It was good. It was great to see my mom. I got to have breakfast with my mom. That was good. I don't have any footage of that, but I got to have breakfast with my mom. That was fun. I saw some of my friends. You saw me looking at this Corvette. That was actually my friend Joe's Corvette, who I'm buying that Corvette. And that car is actually the car that was like buddies with my first car that I ever had. So that was like the car that like got me into cars. You know, that was the car that got me into this madness. So I went to go by and check it out because I'm actually buying it and I'm bringing it up to my house soon. So I just went to check it out physically. I haven't seen that car in like, I don't even know how many years. Probably like, I don't know, you know, 15, 20 years I haven't seen that car. So it's been a long time. So it was good to see. It was awesome. It was good to see Joe, man. So I went to go see my friend Jimmy. Saw a couple of my friends in there. Ran into my friend Nigel on the boat. So it was nice. It's nice to see people that you haven't seen in a long time. You know, so I enjoyed that. Also, make sure that you're following ddklinapparel.com. Make sure that you are shopping on ddklinapparel.com because I have a giveaway going on right now. It's still going on. So every $25 is an entry to win my giveaway. You can enter as many times as you like. You can have a chance to win a dog from me. And yes, everybody is screened that goes through this process. It's so irritating to read some of these comments. I'm not just like, oh, you won here. We're just going to pass you the dog. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Everybody is carefully screened the same way as if you were buying a dog from me. You guys got to know better by now. So anyways, if you want to enter that, on the screen right there, boom, you can have a chance to win a dog from me. The next probably vlog or 2, you're going to see our last contest winner, Sir Mad, come up. And that was a fun experience. He came up with a cool car. So you're going to see that soon. I won't spoil too much, but you'll see that soon. So if you want to enter my giveaway, go do that right now. Also, check out Caleb Genetics. You guys already know I have my own dog food brand right now. So go check out Caleb Genetics. We are booming right now. You got to get on this. If you got dogs, you got to get them on Caleb Genetics. That is what all my dogs are eating right now, and it has been amazing. So go check that out. So when I went to the vineyard, you know, I took this quiet car right here at the end. I don't know. I wanted to bring the Shelby over there. I went over there with the Corvette. You saw that in Dog Dynasty. So I wanted to bring the Shelby over there. So I brought that guy over there. But I don't think that little island was ready for that type of sound. So first like 5 minutes I was over there, I had the cops on my ass, so I got pulled over for no reason, really, for no reason at all. It was just because the car was loud, which is not a legitimate reason to pull somebody over. It was like 5 o'clock. There's no noise or sound over it. It's 5 o'clock. And I wasn't doing anything obnoxious. I was just driving the car regularly. I do rev match when I drive my car. So when I downshift, I do blip the throttle to rev match my car when I downshift because I like my transmission. All right, so yeah, I don't want anybody to think like I'm out here like purposely trying to upset anybody or upset the police or anything like that. I got wild respect for the police, especially police that are doing their job properly. But we're not saying he wasn't, you know, he just was, I don't know, maybe he was just a fan. I really don't know, because I wasn't doing anything wrong, but, you know, I don't know, whatever, loud car. But anyways, at the end of the day, he turned out to be a fan. And he said he watches my documentary, and yeah, it was a funny little moment. So he was a good guy, no hate for him.
Are you the pitbull breeder by chance?
I happen to be.
That's you?
That's me.
All right, I saw your documentary.
He was a good guy. So yeah, whatever, is what it is. Anyways, So Raiden, you know, let me talk about Raiden a little bit because I didn't do a follow-up when I was training, so I'll just talk about Raiden a little bit. So I've been bouncing back and forth with Raiden between like just playing tug with him and simulating a little bit more serious work with him. So, because he's kind of a scatterbrain, I'm really just trying to get him as engaged as possible and just loving what he's doing and wanting to work. And it's working, but he's just a dog that learns a little bit slower. So you kind of got to go at his pace. You know, so that's kind of what I'm doing. We're going at his pace, we're not rushing. So some days we go a little bit slower. Things are just a little bit more lax. Just, you know, just playing the game, just playing the tug with him. And other days we'll have him leashed up, sleeves, you know, doing that whole thing. But you kind of got to bounce back and forth, you know, at this stage. And once we get to other stages, it's going to get a lot more serious. You're going to throw a lot more scenarios. Things will get a lot more serious. But all dogs are different, as you guys are seeing. We have 4 dogs that you're seeing in this vlog. Each one of them is very different for how they're learning. But it'll be cool to see them at the end. You know, you can watch everybody at the end and watch everybody get there and see how long it takes. And I think it'll be a good part of the whole vlog experience. So, anyways, I think that's like pretty much it. You know, that's pretty much it. We'll see what we get into the next vlog, but I got loads of material. I got loads of footage already piled up. I got footage piling up again. So these videos are going to keep coming to you guys. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Peace and love and respect in your life. You already know what time it is. I think this time we are going to drop Pun the Island. So yeah, roll the clips. Warzone. Let's go.
Woo!